My job as a personal trainer is to always motivate and take people to the next level. I'm going to show you behind the scenes as I get Sarah here ready in these before pictures for her first ever bodybuilding competition. Join us for the ride. Also, I'm going to show you guys that sweet GSXR750 that you can win at the show and much, much more. All right, fellas, welcome back to the channel. It is 4:30 a.m. It is time. Hello, Mr. Sabado. Say hello to everybody. It is 4:30 a.m. It is time for you, Sarah, to get up. It is time to get up and get this thing started today. Get up, wake it up, up. Let's go.
I can't believe it's only 7 days.
7 days to your competition. Let's go. Let's get this day going. Let's show everybody how this thing gets moving. So what she's doing right now, she is getting her ab workout in. We're hitting that ab package this morning to get that body fired up. We're trying to bring those abs in as she starts to get closer to the show to give her a nice, clean, sharp look. All right, it is about 7:30 a.m. I'm gonna jump on the road glide and get some wind therapy. Then guys, I'm gonna head over and give you a preview of that crazy show that's about to go down June 25th. It is the Buckeye Classic Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Show. I'm gonna give you just a taste of what you're gonna see. Also, I'm gonna stop and let you guys check out that sweet GSXR750 that you can win and let you get a quick look at it. Let's get after it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, fellas, welcome back to the channel. I am on my way to show you guys the bike that you are going to be able to win on June 25th, 2022 at the Buckeye Classic Car, Truck, and Motorcycle Show. It is going to be crazy. Imagine it, being able to win a bike for 25 bucks. Guess what? I'm going to show you guys the bike, get you all fired up. Let's get it done. All right, fellas, so as you see right now, I got Big Marv in the back. Say what up, Big Marv.
What's happening?
Yeah, guys, just check it out real quick. Guys, you can see the Suzuki, and I didn't know it was that clean, man. I saw it, but I didn't really get a chance to look at it so close. But guys, you can see how clean that is. I'm gonna slowly take it through. Man, that boy is clean, man. All right, so we are back, man. Guys, check it out. Want to show you the dash real quick. As you see, I'm gonna zoom in there real quick. You see 5525 original miles on there. This thing is practically brand new. How could you not want to win a bike for 25 bucks, fellas? Guys, definitely get with us at this show. It is gonna be crazy. All right, fellas, you're gonna get a quick preview of what you're gonna see at this show, June 25th, 2022, the Buckeye Classic Car, Truck, Motorcycle, all that good stuff, gonna be all in the building. Give you a quick preview of what you're gonna see. Man, check it out right there. Holy shit. Fellas, check that out. If you watched the video a couple videos ago, you saw we premiered his bike on there. This is a sample of what you're gonna see. I don't know how it's gonna get much better than this, but fellas, it is gonna be crazy at the show. But as you guys can take a look, that beautiful blue and the way the sun is hitting off of that. Crazy, man. Man. Don't forget, fellas, get those tickets. We will see you in the building. All right, just if you fellas wasn't warmed up enough, let me show you another hint of what you're gonna see at the show, guys. You can check out the crazy color scheme on that one. Man, Marv, what size wheel is that?
30.
That's the 30 jumping on. Oh my God. Man, I'm gonna slowly zoom, fellas, so you could pick this one and check it out. Hit the pause if you gotta, because it gets no better than this. This is crazy, man. Definitely check out the dash. Insane, guys. You gotta get there. It is gonna be an insane show. Oh man, check out that tour pack. Crazy.
The next day.
All right, fellas, you see FedEx is just now leaving now, just dropped off a package. Let's check it out, see what's in it. Oh, wee, fellas, it is time again to heat up this customization of the 2015 Road Glide Special. Just got the package in today. You saw FedEx just leave out. Let's check out what's in it. Here we go. Like I told you, we are about to turn it up on the channel real quick. It is about to go all the way up, as you see in the box. Oh my God, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see the sun shining on that boy, but look at that. We're gonna unpackage this thing and pull it out in just a second. Give me a minute. Fellas, oh my goodness, you can see right here. First, let's start right here, and hopefully you can see where that sun is getting it at. You see that fresh, clean new rotor right there, nicely done. I am loving the design of that. Looks really good. And then we're gonna jump over here. Oh my goodness, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm gonna back out a quick second so you can see the sun hit that. Let me unwrap this boy. As you see, that is all chromed out. Holy cow, guys. I went with the Shinko this time. The Shinko, last time we went with the Dunlop. We're gonna try that Shinko out, but look at that, looking crazy. I'm gonna let you guys see it spin. Oh my goodness. Gonna slap this on the 2015 Road Glide Special. Man, we're gonna see what we got in just a few minutes. But guys, look at it one more time. Check it out on the road. Loving that. Man, it is something about those lines on those tires when they are brand new. Hey, crazy. All right. Without further delay, let's get after it, boys. Let's get it done. All right, fellas, I had to make a quick pit stop real quick. I'm gonna stop in AutoZone to grab some blue Loctite. Remember, if you are putting on rotors, make sure you go with that blue Loctite, not the red. The blue is the medium hole, guys. Don't forget, that's a quick tip. Let's head into AutoZone. Let's get it done. All right, just made it back. I am about to install these rotors real quick. Hey, really quick, I want to show you guys a quick tip of when you are installing new rims on your bike, especially chrome rims. Oh, real quick, guys, when you are installing new rims on your bike, as you see the chrome right there and the chrome rotor, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these plastic gloves and I'm going to install using these so I can keep the fingerprints to a minimum on the chrome, guys, because you know chrome really takes a lot of time to clean up. So I'm going to try to minimize the cleanup as much as possible by wearing these gloves. All right, just a quick tip. Let's get these things on. Hey, what is up? We are gonna turn it up today. Absolutely turn the fire up. Guys, it is about to go down today. Want to get in this garage real quick, show you what we're working with before we get the day started. As you guys know, I am a horror movie fan. You see Night of the Living Dead, the original version, playing in the background on the TV. That gets me fired up and ready to go. I've got a great video for you today. Sit back, relax. Let's get after it. Let's go.
we do here is go back.
Here we go. Check it out. Let's check it out in the sunlight. Let you guys check the whole thing out. We are almost done. Wanted to give you a quick close-up on that front wheel. We went with that chrome 21-inch Prodigy wheel. Looks really good. Let me know what you think. Still got the brand new sticker on the tire for that. Gonna rip that off. But guys, it is looking amazing. I am gonna have the footboards are coming in next week. We'll knock those out, no big problem there. Lock those in. Want to show you a couple things for the bike. Got the fog lights installed at the bottom. I'm gonna cut those on for you later on, just a minute, show you what those look like. Of course, you know, we changed out all the LED lighting and blacked out the turn signals. Also, I added a decorative piece right there that makes it look super mean. Look at that, guys. Amazing. Really looking good. Looking good. Of course, you know, we put the luggage rack on there to give it a mean look. Then, as you saw in the B-roll, we put in the turn signals on the saddlebags. Looks really, really good. Loving the way the back came out. We may stretch the bags, but right now we're gonna leave it just like that. But let me know what you think in the comments below. I am really digging these fog lights. Let me turn them on for you so you guys can check that out. All right, so let me know what you're thinking about the fog lights that I installed. They look really, really good. Check them out. Let me zoom in. You guys can see that. Gives you extra light at night, but we've also got the LEDs there, along with the mean grill and those dually headlights. Man, looking good. Let your boy know what you think. All right, it is time to get out and ride on this new 21-inch Prodigy tire that we just put on. It is time to test this baby out and see how it rides. Let's get out for a quick ride today. Fellas, I hope you can get out, but if you can't, as always, ride with your boy. Let's hit these streets for a few minutes. Let me give you a review of how that 21-inch wheel feels so far. All right, let's get out here and get it done. I am going to put a wrap on today's video. I really appreciate everybody stopping by and checking out the show. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Everybody else out there, keep those two wheels down. Peace.